CRADLE functions as Hyundai's corporate venture capital and open innovation arm. We have 5 offices across the world: Silicon Valley, Beijing, Singapore, Berlin, and Tel Aviv. And we cover each geographic region and scout and work with innovative startups in each region. So OI Lounge is an event that's hosted by Product Division. We've been working with them for several years now, bringing innovative startup technologies to the event to showcase in front of employees here at HMG and also tier 1 suppliers that come and visit. The event is something that we use to promote all of the technologies that we are currently exploring and looking to adopt into mass production into our vehicles. So our role is to work with these startup companies, build meaningful collaborations with them, build these win-win situations, and connect them with business units within HMG for meaningful collaborations. Our vision is to be the tip of the spear for HMG in North America in terms of working with innovative startup companies and bringing their technologies into HMG. So at CRADLE Silicon Valley, we cover the North America region, specifically all of the various startup ecosystems within North America. Our job is to scout startups within the region, find ways to work with them, and connect them with internal business units to build meaningful collaborations and partnerships. North America as a region has a wide and expansive pool of startup talent. There are many startup companies born every single day, and I believe we have one of the largest pools of great startup companies. Our role at Silicon Valley is to bring these technologies into Hyundai, and we're doing this with one of the best talent pools.
So Nanotherm is a US-based nanotechnology company, and we make thin film heaters. We are working with Hyundai Hachi to develop these thin film heaters for battery heating applications to not only improve the time to temperature of these batteries, but as well as the range, but also the safety standards for these batteries to enhance the life of the batteries as well as reduce safety consequences such as EV fires and whatnot. We've been working with CRADLE for about 3 or 4 years now. They came into contact with us to develop a heater initially for interior heating. So initially it was just seat heating, and then eventually we expanded into full cabin heating, and now we're getting into battery heating, which is probably my favorite product application.
Hi, I'm Mike Goss, Director of Sales for OLED Works, based out of Rochester, New York in the US. We are an OLED manufacturer for OLED lighting, so in the automotive sector. So we've actually also incorporated that with some testing with Hachi. So very exciting to be a part of this process.
So we are here to show off our new automotive concept tire. So it's a tire that no punctures, no flats, you don't need a spare anymore because of the technology that we use. You're able to just drive carefree, air-free. So no more pressurized air. So it's more sustainable product, use less rubber, so it's better for the environment and better for consumers.
We extract your voice. Not only can we basically make it so Siri works properly, but more importantly, we know it's you talking. So then if you give commands to your car, like the demo we did here, you can say, play my music, and it will play your genre of music because it knows it's you asking for it. And if it's your husband or your wife or whoever another person, it's going to pull up their profile. So your voice becomes your profile, as well as it becomes a way to extract your voice from multiple people speaking. So that's what our software does. So it was an easy fit for us. And so so far it's been a great partnership for us. And we're learning a lot more about the OEM and the tier 1 space through working with Hyundai CRADLE. So for us, it's been great for us.
So the Israeli ecosystem is very vibrant with many talents coming from different type of technologies, coming from different disciplines, and when they all come together, we have very innovative place where we can introduce new companies. Israel is a great place where talents and technology meets together and creates new innovation, and by that we can support all of Hyundai's business units to introduce new technologies and new talents.
So I'm Christoph Ramstein, the CEO of Novedo. Novedo is a company that has developed a way to beamform sounds anywhere in space.
I'm Gilad, CTO, co-founder for Blink, and we're a computer vision company providing advanced AI technologies within the vehicle. So with the Tel Aviv CRADLE, we were able to both POC build this dashboard that you see here and do live demonstrations within the automotive. So we have very strong proof of concept of how this will be integrated into commercial vehicles.
So we originally met with the CRADLE in Tel Aviv through Blink, where the initial conversation, we met together to present the combination of both the Blink and the Noveto together, and successfully managed to go through the different steps and build the demonstrator that we're presenting today.
With the support of the CRADLE, we were able to not only prototype but also have a way forward that will commercialize the technology in terms of pricing, flexibility of integration within different types of vehicles that are governed by Kia and Hyundai.
CRADLE Berlin is scouting technologies as well as companies from the whole European market, and the aim is to facilitate open innovation projects as well as investments. Berlin is great for open innovation because it's one of the startup hubs in Europe, and it's thriving with like new innovations, especially also for automotive technologies.
Hi, my name is Maxim Khrushchev. I'm from Impulse Audio Lab, and we're here to bring the new generation of audio experience into vehicles. So the company Impulse Audio Lab, we're from Munich, Germany, and for the last 10 years we're doing driving sounds, AVAs, chimes, all kind of audio related to vehicles. And this is the whole new experience. So this is drivable music, which allows you to control music just with different simple inputs, such as throttle, brake, steering wheel, and with this you become like a DJ or composer, and this is like the new dimension of music in cars.